Hi, this is Dr. Mercola. Did you know that 9 out of 10 Americans are metabolically unhealthy, metabolically inflexible, and insulin resistant? You probably already know that insulin resistance is the core of a metabolic disaster. This is the foundational reason why so many people have excess weight, unhealthy lipid ratios, blood pressure and blood sugar issues, and a large waist circumference. This is due to high levels of harmful visceral fat around their organs. Now, your gut flora plays a major role in your metabolic health, and researchers have identified a single probiotic strain, Lactobacillus grasseri, BNR17. And I know that sounds like a little odd, but this special strain holds great promise for supporting your metabolic health through its actions in your gut. In fact, studies show it's been identified as one of the single best strains for both digestive and metabolic health. So what is BNR17? It's an acid and biotolerant lactic acid bacterial strain isolated from human breast milk that provides you with 10 billion colony-forming units of beneficial probiotics for a healthy gut microbiome. Now, beyond that, there are extensive studies showing BNR17 positively affects metabolic health by supporting healthy body fat, blood glucose levels, as well as gut transit time and bowel health. Now, BNR17 works in a really unique way as it uses the carbohydrates in your diet and converts them to something called, now get this, exopolysaccharides. Now, I know that's a mouthful. That's why we shortened it to EPS. Now, EPSs are indigestible fibers, so they can be carried out of your body undigested as waste. So while my first recommendation for improving your metabolic health is to limit your intake of processed carbohydrates, BIOTHIN probiotic allows you to take a proactive approach in managing your diet and health. Taken just once a day, preferably with the same meal, each day, BIOTHIN probiotic with BNR17 can help you with the metabolic battle that so many people today struggle with. So, take control of your health with BIOTHIN probiotic.